Nowadays, hard drive manufacturers creating the portable hard disk without rubber protector under it. This will make the portable hard disk to easily skid or slip if you accidentally pushed it. If you drop the portable hard disk on the floor, mechanical parts like read and write head and it may get misplaced from its original location and may cause you to not able to retrieve the data again. Since your data is too precious and cost of recovering the data is too high, you have to learn on how you can avoid this kind of incidents. In this video, I will teach you on how you can solve this issue. What you need: an adhesive clear protector. How to apply it? Put your portable hard disk on a flat surface and put the adhesive clear protector on each corner of your portable hard disk. Now, you can be worry-free if you accidentally pushed it, since it will never move even you push it firmly.